Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Action Center on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to disable the Action Center, so very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on Personalize. After click on left panel here, left option taskbar. Now scroll down and here option turn system icons on or off. So click it. And here option Action Center. So if you want to disable Action Center, so very easy, /to off position. That is, if you want to enable, /to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable or enable Action Center on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.